So guys, we have another package. We got hybrid racing. Oh my god. So today I will be installing the hybrid racing short shifter. I'm already running a hybrid racing short shifter in my car, but it's an older version. I love it. I really do want to stick with hybrid racing just because I love the feel of the short shifter. You guys can watch my video when I installed it like a few years ago. I want to give a huge thank you to hybrid racing just because this video wouldn't be here without them. They did sponsor this part. I'm so thankful for the opportunity just because they've always been so good to me. I've worked with them in the past and they're just good people. So yeah, let's get to it. And oh my god, the gains are not gaining. Let's begin. Get rid of that. Okay. Oh my god. A box. So this is the V3 short. What the heck? I didn't expect this just because I thought I was just getting this. Pause. This is the V3 short shifter, but this came in the box too, and they sent me a shift knob. Oh my god. Okay. And somehow they knew I would want the red one. I have a blue one right now. Let's open the shifter. Thank you, hybrid racing, for real. Holy crap. We got the whole setup. How freaking nice. Whoa. I need a new camera.
Overall, I love the way the car feels. I love the way the car runs. The shifting is definitely a lot shorter. I mean, it is a short shifter compared to my other short shifter. Maybe it's just wear and tear, but this one feels, I don't know, it just feels so good. I mean, they both felt so good, but this one feels new, you know, and I love it. I freaking love it. So if you're thinking of getting a short shifter, go hybrid. For those of you saying that I have not been giving the RSX love, I have. I don't even think I told you guys, but I got a new steering wheel. I think this is the mod drift. I don't know what it's called. This was actually a graduation gift. Thank you. So yeah guys, thanks again for watching. Tell me what you want to see. Bye.